everything related to cinema and art. They taught us everything.
Yeah.
Everything
क्या
that
कह
is
रहे थे,
not
sorry.
important,
Yeah.
like PR and all, they didn't teach us.
Your PR cannot do anything if you're not doing good work.
People would remember you not for how many columns you got in a
Yeah.
newspaper. People would remember you for your work.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
This is the 500 crore man.
वो इंसान अभी आया था जो चला गया, जिनको हाथ लगाना था.
For all film-related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Okay, I personally have loved the trailer, and
Thank
I
you.
was like, this is like Rishikesh Mukherjee Basu Bhattacharya meets who? Time travel.
Meets Christopher Nolan.
But actually, you're right.
ये मैंने नहीं कहा, ये आपने कहा है.
Yeah, आपने कहा, I wanted that line for me. But you know, it's a very interesting premise because we haven't seen time travel in the Indian context. But also, it's very niche because सबको नहीं समझ आएगा. वो romantic comedy, small town, सब समझ. So how did you like? You know, when it came to you, also execution is tricky because paper में तो हाँ interesting. Execute करने में, and what drew you to in? और आपने क्या सोचा कि इन दोनों की शादी की दुविधा में मैं ये डाल देता हूँ, हल्दी में जहाँ स्टक है बेचारा.
For me it was very easy. मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी, मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, और करण ने बहुत टाइम लगा के स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है. बहुत साल से इस कहानी के साथ वो जिए हैं, स्क्रीन पे बहुत काम किया है. तो वो एक टाइम लूप का एक डर सिर्फ होता ना कि कहीं ये मोनोटनस तो नहीं हो जाएगा एक पॉइंट के बाद, वो कतई नहीं था. वो बिल्कुल नहीं था. उसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा एंटरटेनिंग थी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेरिएशन थी, टाइम लूप की भी, रिएक्शंस की भी, द वे पीपल आर रिएक्टिंग, स्पेशली रंजन इज रिएक्टिंग टू दैट सिचुएशन. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, मैं बहुत हंसा, आई वॉज थॉरली एंटरटेन. और एक बहुत प्यारी सी एक मैसेजिंग भी है एंड में, मैं उससे भी बहुत टच हुआ कि ये बहुत अच्छी बात हम कह भी रहे हैं. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स वामिका केम ऑन बोर्ड एंड वी वर थ्रिल्ड because it's always fun to work with really good actors because आपकी life बहुत आसान हो जाती है. And Karan, as I said, he wrote it so well and so much in detail, and then same thing happened on set. It was a very smooth ride because he knew exactly कि क्या करना है, क्या कराना है. So it was his vision and we all were just following it.
Awesome. And Vamika, when he came to you, what was it that you said like कर लेते हैं ये?
ये बिल्कुल exactly ऐसा ही. I'd like to add to that because you know जो भी बोला स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में, that's exactly how I perceived it, and I felt like this is just so entertaining and this is so good. पहले ही narration में I was just so excited. This is so nice. But I'd like to add to that for me it was like a beautiful opportunity to work with Maddock, to work with Rajkumar Rao, and to know that he wanted to work with me again was like, oh chalo. we did a film together which has not come out. तो उसके बाद जब ये फिल्म आई तो इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मुझे पता चल गया तू ही है तितली. So I'm so glad that while shooting he wanted me to do this film, which is so nice because that character is so different from this character. But I'm just so lucky and I'm so grateful that I got this opportunity.
तो आपकी जो फर्स्ट कोलैबोरेशन थी उसके बाद ही डिडंट से भूल चुक माफ.
मुझे बोलना पड़ा.
No, but it's very interesting that time travel, it's not explored and one really doesn't know. It'll sit well or you know it might not land the way you've anticipated. So it's a tricky territory as well. तो क्या सोचा था कि ये rom-com and you know शादी which all Indians love and time travel कि हम सब पास में भी बहुत आता रहते हैं.
बिल्कुल. तो मेरा ना एक बहुत तगड़ा बिलीव है व्हाट इफ में. मेरे को लगता है हर एक फिल्म मेकर का ना एक बिलीव रहता है व्हाट इफ, कि ऐसा हो तो क्या हो जाए, ऐसा हो तो क्या हो जाए. तो रोमांटिक कॉमेडी हमने बहुत सारी देखी हैं, रोम कॉम बहुत फिल्में आई भी हैं. तो मेरे को ये था कि इसको थोड़ा अतरंगी ढंग से बनाया जाए. तो वहाँ से मेरे को आइडिया आया कि यार एक काम करते हैं, अगर रंजन है, तितली है, उनको शादी करनी है, सब कुछ करनी है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं आ रही, तो एक प्रॉब्लम जो है वो ऐसी लाई जाए कि शादी करनी है पर वो शादी नहीं हो रही. तो शादी से पहले उनको मैंने हल्दी में अटका दिया. सो स्क्रिप्ट लिखते वक्त डेफिनेटली बहुत चैलेंज आया था बिकॉज के एक ही दिन को आपको बार बार दिखाना है, अलग अलग तरीके से दिखाना है और हर बार कुछ नया दिखाना है. तो वो बहुत चैलेंज था. बट मुझे लगता है कि मेरे ऊपर ना कुछ ब्लेसिंग है महादेव की, तो वो अपने आप ना चीज़ें ऑर्गेनिकली स्मूथ होती ही चली गई. और ये कहानी का सीड भी मेरे को मेरे घर से मेरी मॉम, जो हमारे यहाँ पे सत्यनारायण की कथा होती थी, ये सब होता था. और आइडिया जो होते हैं मेरे को लगता है कि वो ना बातों से आते हैं.
जी.
कब कहाँ किस बात से क्या आइडिया आ जाए पता नहीं. तो ऐसे ही मैं अपनी वाइफ के साथ कुछ बात कर रहा था, बात करते करते कुछ एक आइडिया आ गया एंड दैट्स हाउ the whole thing develops and चीज़ें सब
Awesome.
float हो गई.
And
And
you
I'm
got-
happy that कि सब organically हुआ.
और
मतलब
वही
ज़्यादा
ब्लेसिंग महादेव की हमारे ऊपर भी आ
And you've got two talented actors. Now, to both of you, I want to ask is, I'll now start with you, is, I mean, both of you have the films that I've really enjoyed are those intense ones that you do. I last spoke to you for Khufia. You and me go back a long way, but I feel you found your niche also in this genre because you're fabulously good when it comes to comedy.
Thank you.
But what is the process when, you know, intense role kar rahe ho? Comedy actually is very tough. It's not that easy because you have to convince the other person that, you know, I'm being funny without being funny. You know, so what is it? And upar se also giving that reaction, it's the same scene playing out. You have to give a different reaction. What was it like really?
No, you're right. Comedy is not easy. It's not everyone's cup of tea. But when the writing is great, now it has to be good on paper first. Only then you can elevate it and make it your own and make it maybe way more funnier. But the writing base has to be there. So in this case, that was very much there. It was the situations were very kadak. I didn't have to work on those at all. But I like, you know, I like improvising. I like, as you said, I also enjoy, you know, cracking jokes and then that little straight face humor and sometimes the physical humor. I like doing that. I like exploring that. It's way more organic than the other intense dramas that I do. It's more about having fun on set, within the scene, with your co-actors, and explore. Explore. I think for me, comedy you should not hold back.
Yeah.
You know, don't calculate too many things that, you know, okay, I'm only good at this much. Just explore. Don't hold yourself back. It's okay na, galati ho jayega, retake kar lenge, but don't hold back. So yeah, I try and do that. Yeah.
And Vamika, I mean, I must say, you do realize your soaring popularity and the most sought after girl. And personally, I absolutely adored you in Jubilee and Khufia. But also, you're also coming from that space where you could have got boxed in like, ये बहुत serious intense ऐसे करते. But now I just feel, switch.
हाँ मुझे लगता है कि ये डेफिनेटली लोगों को लगा होगा कि बहुत सीरियस लेकिन जब वो मुझे मिलते होंगे तो उनको कुछ ऑपोजिट ही दिखता होगा आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड विद करण सर आल्सो
मैं जब मिला था तो मेरे को लग गया था कि यही तितली है क्योंकि तितली का कैरेक्टर ही ऐसा था कि वो बहुत ही चुलबुली है बहुत ही अतरंगी है वो कब क्या कर जाएगी आपको नहीं पता तो उस जब मैं मिला इसको तो मेरे को लगा कि ये यही तितली है बिकॉज ये जिस तरीके से रिएक्ट करती है कब कहाँ पे क्या बाउंसर मार दे नोबडी नोज
तो I think I'm just very lucky to have gotten this opportunity to play such a colorful, fun character where I could explore this comedy genre and understand if I can do it or not. And now I think I'm ready to explore.
And you've kind of also broken away from before they could encase you, you know.
Hannah, I'm so glad and I'm so, again, I'm very lucky. Yeah, and you're very right. मैं बहुत easily boxed हो सकती थी, लेकिन नहीं हुई. I think I'm just, I don't know, I'm very lucky. That's all I can say.
You are lucky and you've got a great team working with you. And so if I was to ask you, let's time travel to one space and time where आपको लगता है what ifs. ऐसे कोई मौके थे कि what ifs that you could go now and if I could put you in that capsule and say like, चलो ये change करके आता हूँ.
Yeah, I would love to spend more time with my parents for sure. Yeah, that is one thing that I would love to do again and again.
Yeah, actually you're true. What we take for granted, those times don't come back. I totally get that. And what about you? अगर मैं आपको डाल दूँ?
I think मैं अगर time travel कर सकती हूँ तो I would like to join NSD और आपने
FTI.
FTI. I think I would like to join and learn acting properly. मैंने सीखा नहीं है कहीं से तो अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ वापस जा सकती हूँ तो I would love to add that in my life.
I actually want to ask you, does training help? Because sometimes people who are self-taught sometimes feel that, you know, it's very organic. They've just picked
But
up.
then it takes time, no? Because then you're learning very slowly. I feel like with training or with, you just have really, you have good teachers telling you so many things and then you're practicing it every day with them. I think it's just practice that you're doing every day. That
Yeah,
must be.
nobody
What's the one thing that they didn't teach you actually in acting school?
They didn't teach us in acting schools. No, yeah, anything related to cinema and art, they taught us everything.
Yeah.
Everything
क्या
that
कह रहे
is
थे,
not
sorry.
important,
Yeah.
like PR and all, they didn't teach us. Yeah.
But आजकल वही important बन गया है. Actually तुम दोनों की PR game कैसी है वैसे?
I've realized that your PR cannot do anything if you're not doing good work. You can then make up stories of different things and then get that short-term whatever fame. But then if you're doing good work side by side, if you're making good choices, then I think the PR will work.
Absolutely.
But just PR, I don't think it does.
That's very vague.
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've known you from the time when you used to just come and saying, "Chalo yaar, kuch kar lete hain." I mean, before he had it. Now also he doesn't have an entourage. So, what is your take on this? Or from there to here?
Still the same. Nothing has changed. Yeah, I have the same take on PR. I think eventually it's very short-lived. Eventually, it's your work which would speak and nothing else. People would remember you not for how many columns you got in a
Yeah.
newspaper. People would remember you for your work.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, anyways, जाते जाते दो सवाल पूछना है. आप तो हो like the man with the Midas touch. I mean, it continues to be the year of Rajkumar Rao, and now you're also turned producer. Was that a natural progression?
It was actually Patrulekha's idea, to be honest. We were in discussion with another friend of ours who's not from the industry in Goa. And in that discussion, only something he said that, why don't you guys produce? And you would, because you have such great minds together and you love cinema so much. And that's how it started. Patra said that, yeah, sure, why shouldn't we? And I said, yeah, can we? She said, yeah. I said, okay, let's do that. And the name popped up, and then the camper, our company's name, KAMP, which is actually a combination of my mother's name and Patra's mother's
Yeah.
name, combination Papri. So that's how it started, and the first film got over. Second one will start soon. Yeah.
Awesome. The man with the Midas touch. आपको पता है इनको हाथ लगाना तो. I mean, आजकल सब कुछ करोड़ों से है तो ये this is the 500 crore man.
नहीं, वो इंसान अभी आया था जो चला गया, जिनको हाथ लगाना था.
Bhavika, now what next? Now, since you finally have got your, foot into the door and it's wide open, you're like the girl. I've gone through all those posts and comments and all. Everybody is like, Bhavika, Bhavika, Bhavika.
थैंक यू. मैंने पहले भी एज सच प्लान नहीं किया था, और जितनी बार प्लान किया कभी कुछ हुआ नहीं. तो आई थिंक अभी भी बेटर ही है कि प्लान ना ही करूं, जो अच्छा लग रहा है वही करूं. और आई थिंक वो मोमेंट टू मोमेंट ना आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है, इस रास्ते जाना है, इस रास्ते नहीं जाना है. आई थिंक आई विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग दैट बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स वर्किंग वेल फॉर मी.
अभी कौन सा रास्ता दिख रहा है आपको जाने का?
अभी तो भूल चूक माफ का ही रास्ता दिख रहा है. आई होप आई एम वेटिंग फॉर 9th May. I can't wait for people to watch the film and then understand like how they liked it.
And all comedy. Seeing just your roster, it just seems total switch कर दिया.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it so much. I cannot tell you. I mean, this was the first comedy that I shot, and I just fell in love. I'm like, यार ये तो बहुत मजा है, and I wanted to explore this more. So now, I'm like, yeah, getting
Bangla
into
and all everything.
yeah.
Gulchuk Maaf, the B factor. Awesome. Last question. Why don't we make romantic comedies? What are we lacking when we come? Have a legacy like Basu Bhattacharya, Rishikesh Mukherjee. I mean, they remain my all-time favorite. Why aren't we?
Well, we are.
Yeah, you are.
We're
but
trying.
Why do you think this gap?
I think cinema goes through a phase. Yeah, there's a phase for everything. In between, we were focusing on earlier. We were focusing on love stories, hero, heroine, villain, and let's shoot 4 songs in Switzerland. Then came a different kind of cinema, which is a very powerful cinema with Kashyap, Anurag Kashyap sir, Ramu, all these people, Limtia sir, and then came action film. So I think it keeps changing.
Yeah.
It keeps changing its shape and size every 5 years. So it's just a phase.
I
Yeah.
think we were waiting for Vamika and Karan to make a movie.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. And in moment in life when you said Bhulchuk Maaf.
I think for me, it's अभी recently बताऊँ या
कभी भी बता दो.
वो तो बहुत बार होता है. मैं इस शूट के दौरान ही इतनी बार ऐसा होता था कि ये साथ साथ कुछ इम्प्रोवाइज करते थे और मेरी हंसी छूट जाती थी. एंड आई सॉरी क्या. और यहाँ आने से, दिल्ली आने से पहले मैं अपने ऐसे घर के दरवाजे से बाहर निकल रही थी और मेरे 6 कुत्ते मेरी तरफ ऐसे देख रहे थे कि ये जा रही है. एंड आई वाज लाइक सॉरी, आई विल कम बैक सून.
आपने कब बोला था भूलचूक माफ सर?
भूलचूक माफ का बोला था.
पत्थरा को भी बोला होगा भूलचूक माफ.
हाँ, वो तो हम एक दूसरे को बोल देते हैं, ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रेस नहीं है. नहीं, ऐसा जानबूझ के तो कभी कुछ गलती करते नहीं. आई थिंक वी नॉट दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल कि जानबूझ के किसी का दिल दुखाएं या किसी का गलत करें. अनजाने में होता है तो ऑफ कोर्स या देयर इज नो, आई डोंट माइंड सेइंग भूलचूक माफ.
आपसे कब हुआ भूलचूक माफ?
मेरा शूट के दौरान हुआ था. मैंने अपने सभी एक्टर्स को भूलचूक माफ बोला था बिकॉज हम लोग जब शूट कर रहे थे तो मई में शूट कर रहे थे बनारस में, और उस समय टेम्परेचर टेम्परेचर वाज लाइक मोर देन 50 डिग्री और वो इतना ज़्यादा गर्म था कि हमारा जो एसी थे उसकी वायर्स तक मेल्ट हो रही थी, एसी गर्म हवा छोड़ रहा था, कुछ नहीं। अब मेरा काम क्या था, मैं तो मॉनिटर के आगे बैठा हूँ, तो डायरेक्टर के आगे एक छोटा सा पंखा या एसी लग जाता था। और एक्टर्स क्या है, अब उनको परफॉर्म करना है तो वो खड़े रहेंगे धूप में। अब टेक हुआ, जैसे ही टेक होता था और मुझे लग रहा कि नहीं एक और चाहिए, तो जब वो सेकंड टेक मुझे मांगना होता था ना, तो मैं अपने दिल में ही बोलता था इनके, अरे भूल चूक माफ, एक और दे दो। आई नो के जल रहे हो, आई नो के बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, बट एक और दे दो, एक और दे दो।
But it's worth it. After a long time, we've got something that the entire family can watch. So all the very best and continue
Thank
doing
you,
what you do.
Pooja.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.